Namaste. Vidyapriya School started in the year 1991. Since then, it's striving to provide the quality education and the overall development of the students. So as I said, it's been more than 34 years and we are reaching 35th year of the celebration that is happening today. So when I speak about the school, the success story and the milestone and everything, I cannot speak about or I cannot speak less about my teachers or the parents, right? Because of them, we are here today. All the success story that you can see in the walls of the school, it's all because of our favorite stakeholders, that is our teachers and our parents. So when I speak about our teachers, they strive every day just to develop an individual student in all the way that is possible, right? Every child is their own child and every student is their own children. So that is how they create the future architectures, the future engineers, the future artists. So when I speak about artists, you can just see my background. So these are the art created by our own children, not by any other outside artist. So with this background, I can proudly say that what kind of talents we have in our school, right? This is all because of the efficiency and excellence of teachers that we have. And also when I speak about the teachers, they are all crowned awardees, like not just one or two or three. There are many awards that they have received for all the teachings and the learnings that they have provided for the students. So, and also the parents, whenever there is anything and everything related to school, our parents will always be there to join hands for everything. So without their support, we wouldn't have reached any milestones or we wouldn't have reached any success that has happened so far. So there is a surprise that we would be planning to give from this year to all the parents over here and all other people who would be our future parents. So that is, I would like to reveal it today in this auspicious moment. So the thing is, with that, we are planning to start a new branch of our Vidyapriya School that is called as Kashvi Vidya Mandir. This is basically for pre-primary students who are like 2 years and above and less than 5 years. So as I said, it's for pre-primary students and it's going to start from this year, that is 2025. The main objective of this particular school, Kashvi Vidya Mandir, is basically technically driven, technology related kind of education will be provided to all the students. As a parents, we always strive to seek the comfort of our students, right? So whenever, as a parents, when we go out, we always see our children should be in a comfort zone. They should get the best. We always look for something best for our children. So if you are the similar kind of a parent who always looks for the comfort of your children, maybe this is the right place. So for more details about the school, the more related details or any enquiry, you know where to reach, whom to reach. Saying that, we hoping to see you soon at our school premise for all kind of enquiries and all kind of questions that you have related to all the topics. Thank you. Namaste.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವಿದ್ಯಾಪ್ರಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯು 1990-91ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾಗಿ ಇಂದಿಗೆ 35 ವರ್ಷಗಳಾಗಿವೆ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀ ನರ್ಸರಿಯಿಂದ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯವರೆಗೆ ತರಗತಿಗಳು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುತ್ತವೆ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಗುರುತಿಸಿ ಅವರ ಸರ್ವತೋಮುಖ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಆದ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಠ್ಯೇತರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿದೆ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ, ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಉಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಕೊಡಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. SSLC ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಆದ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 6ರಿಂದ ಸಂಜೆ 5:30ರವರೆಗೆ ತರಗತಿಗಳನ್ನು ನಿರಂತರವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಷವೂ ಸಹ SSLC ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವು ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ಬರುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ಸಂತಸವಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಸಹ ನಾನು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿ ಸ್ಥಾನ ತುಂಬಿ ಕಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತಲೇ, ಪಾಠ ಎಂಬ ಜ್ಞಾನ ತುಂಬಿ ಗುಣವನ್ನು ಕಲಿಸುತ್ತಲೇ, ಅತಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಬದುಕು ರೂಪಿಸಿದ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಯನ್ನು ತಿದ್ದಿ ತೀಡಿ
Our Vidyapriya English School is one of the best school. We are very proud to work here. We feel like one family here. We are taking care of more interest with the personal care of all the kids. We mold the career of students with a bright future. Those who will get the good education, they are going to improve their standard of living, and our heartfelt thanks to our management.
ಮೂಗಿವೆ ಈ ಕೈಯ ಪ್ರತಿಕ್ಷಣವೂ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನವೂ ಬಳಪ ಹಿಡಿದ ಭಗವಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ ಸುತ್ತ ಅವತಾರ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪವೋ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಹಣೆ ಬರಹ ತಿದ್ದಿ ಬರೆಯಲು ಕತ್ತಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಯ ಹಿಡಿಯುತ್ತ ಕರೆದೊಯ್ದ ಬೆಳಕು ತೋರಲು ನಯವಾಗಿ ಗದರೋದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಳೆಸಲು ಭಾಷೆ ಅಮೃತ ಕುಡಿಸೋ ತಾಯಾಗಿ ಭಾಷೆ ಅಮೃತ ಕುಡಿಸೋ ತಾಯಾಗಿ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಬರೆವಂತ ತಂದೇನೋ ಆಗಿ ಬರೆವಂತ ತಂದೇನೋ ಆಗಿ ಚಂದದ ಜೀವನನ ನೀಡಿರೋ ಗುರುಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಗುರುಗಳು ಬಳಪ ಹಿಡಿದ ಭಗವಂತ ಇರುತ್ತಾನೆ ನಮ ಸುತ್ತ ಅವತಾರ ನಾನಾ ರೂಪವೋ ಮಾನವ ಲೋಕಕ್ಕೆ ಸತ್ಯದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹದ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶಿ ಮಾರ್ಗಸೂಚಿ ಗುರುವೇ ನೂರು ಜನುಮ ಗುರು ಋಣವು ತೀರೋಲ್ಲ ನಮೋ ನಮ ಗುರುಗಳೇ.